You do realize you're about to eat a ghost pepper, right?
Dude, I don't know if I want to do this.
Just do it,
I tell you,
dude.
after I ate those wings, the Billy Jacks that had ghost pepper sauce on them, yeah, I ate them, but I had a hot poker in my belly for a day. In other words, my
Dude.
belly just burned.
Dude, this will get you on YouTube. Think about that, dude. No, he's not. He hasn't eaten it yet.
I have a tiny one.
He's looking at the tiny one.
I don't care what it is. You have milk, just eat it.
On the label to the peppers, it says handle with gloves.
How do I eat this?
You take
You-
a bite out of it and chew it.
You
I
just put it in your mouth. And
take a tiny.
at least I would.
Take tiny.
Do I eat it whole? Or should I eat this one whole?
No,
Here what you
dude, you're gonna die.
So this is a whole pepper, right?
Yeah.
It's already been cut off on the stem. Yeah, take about a half of that.
Alright.
Are we actually doing this?
Dude,
I'm gonna cut it in half. because
Put
I don't want
some
it to
milk
get
in
in
a,
my
you
lips
gotta
and
put a
stuff.
milk in a thing and you need some bread.
I got it.
I think there's some cold mac and
Dude,
cheese.
move.
Oh,
No, I ate that.
cheese is not a bad idea.
I ate that.
Oh, you already ate that? Okay.
Yeah.
'Cause that's what I had. After I ate my
Dude.
wings that had
I'm-
ghost pepper sauce on them.
I'm so glad I'm not into spicy.
That's pretty good mac and cheese, dude. That's good mac and cheese.
Just psych yourself up, dude. Psych yourself up. Dude, I'm gonna.
Ghost peppers, Daniel.
Say hi.
Do it, man.
Say hi.
Let's go. Let's go.
You are gonna
You'll
die.
die tonight.
How
You'll
you
die
just-
when you
how
shit
it-
it back out.
Yeah, that's another story. Yeah, when it comes back out, yeah.
Come on, dude. Let's do it.
Dude, eat it. No, eat it.
Hey, Daniel, eat
Ghost
the
pepper.
side. Daniel,
Ghost
eat it.
pepper.
Yeah.
Ghost pepper.
Oh, ready?
Oh, he'll eat it.
It's on the store.
Dude, you need to eat it.
Do it together. Come on.
I am not recording this for you to wuss out.
Partners in crime. Ready? Do it.
He just put it in his
Is it
mouth.
hot?
It's fucking extremely hot.
Put it in your mouth.
Come on, dude. Let's go.
Go on.
Ah! He did it. Oh, he did it.
I don't know if you can handle that, dude.
Oh, my God. Look, he's doing it.
Oh my god!
Get milk, dude. Get milk. You're going the wrong way.
Oh my god!
Get milk, dude.
Milk.
Go, go puke.
Milk.
Go, go puke.
Where'd it go?
Outdoors. Puke.
Oh, goodness. Eat it.
Oh God, he's dying.
Dude, you gotta have milk.
Are you okay?
Dude, you gotta have milk.
Milk.
You gotta have milk.
Oh,
Did you spit it out or did you puke?
Both.
That's just funny.
Oh god.
Bread. Get some bread. You gotta get bread now.
Bread.
We aren't gonna have milk for tomorrow. We have more milk, right?
Yeah, bread. Get some bread. Get some bread. You gotta get some bread.
yeah, about 3 seconds after I started chewing it, I was like, I doubt Drew's gonna be able to handle it.
He's
I
got it,
can't
man.
do.
We have more milk in the outdoor
No,
fridge,
we
right?
don't. We
Oh
don't.
dear
That's
God.
the only milk we have.
What the hell? Look at this mess.
Dad, it hurts.
You gotta eat bread, dude. You gotta eat bread.
Dad, it hurts.
We should put more bread.
Dad, it hurts. It hurts.
I know it hurts.
You're gonna be.
Oh my god, dude.
Bread. You gotta eat your bread, dude. You gotta suck it up. Eat the bread. Eat the bread.
Oh.
Bread. You gotta eat the bread. Water. Give some water. Ran of milk.
Water.
No. Knock me out.
Suck up piece of ice. Suck up piece of ice.
water.
And that, my friend, is pretty much my brother trying now to have a ghost pepper. My face isn't lit up, is it? He's puking outside. Woo. Yeah, ghost peppers. Not good.
More bread.